Hello students, welcome to Geometry School. Students, today I will get you the current affair of the month May 2022 and this is part 2. Part 1 I have already uploaded. The language of the video will be in English. So those students who belong to the southern state, they can watch this video because they have problem in understanding the Hindi language. And for the northern states who can understand the Hindi language, the Hindi medium separate video in the Hindi language will be uploaded soon. So for which exam I provide these current affairs, I prepare these current affairs especially for the RIMC exam. My 100 focus is on RIMC exam, for which the exam will be held on 4th of June. 4th of June. Okay, and there is a very good weightage in Rashtriya Military Schools. The current affairs section, around 10 to 12 questions come in this exam also, and there is a very small weightage in All India Sainik School entrance examination of current affairs section. So you can take benefit from this video in this exam also. Okay, so without delay, let's start. Before go ahead, I want to tell you, you can take live classes, hostel facility, demo, recorded, mock test and other facilities. To visit, what you have to do, you have to visit our website www.geometryschool.in. You have to fill up this inquiry form and submit this inquiry form. Our expert team will call you and provide you the proper guidance regarding whatever you want. RIMC batch is going to be start from 10th June. This is foundation batch. And what is the specialty of RIMC foundation batch? Actually, you will there is a preparation from basic to advanced. You will get a preparation from basic to advanced, and for which session we are going to launch this RIMC foundation batch will cover the session of December RIMC. It is not for the June session. Actually, in the June session there is hardly 10 days, so no meaning. So RIMC foundation batch is especially for December session, for which the exam will be held on 18 December. So 18 December 2022. So you can, so student, if you want to crack the RIMC, because RIMC is the most toughest exam and very important. It is a career settling exam. If you want to settle your career, then you should take a chance, and a foundation batch will play a vital role in cracking the RIMC exam that is going to be held on 18 December 2022. You can join our hostel facilities also. Okay, what you have to do for hostel facility, you should dial you have to dial on this number, call on this number. Our expert team, our sir, will provide every detailed information about the hostel facility. You need not to enroll for the whole year. You can take monthly plan, 3-month plan, 6-month plan or yearly plan. Okay, scan this QR code to join the Telegram group. How can you take a live classes? Dial on this number, book for demo classes, and two live classes will be free of cost. After that, you find good, you find comfortable, then you can purchase our online course, live class course for RIMC, RMS and Sainik School. These are our recorded courses. You can avail these courses. These are our test series. You can take this series. Today I will cover part 2 of the month May 2022, and in each part I cover 25 questions, and in whole month I cover 25 into 4, that is 100 questions, and I guarantee you 98% current affairs sections will be covered through these videos. If you watch these videos in a consistent manner, then 98% current affairs GK will not come out from this videos. Every question will come from these videos. So none of the question will go out the beyond the limit of our videos. So students, without any hesitation, without any dilemma, you watch our videos, watch our live current affairs series of the last 6 to 7 months, and go in the exam with the confidence. Okay, so last time I gave you a burning question. What was the question? The question was very important. How many fundamental duties are there in our constitution? So there are 11 fundamental duties. 11 fundamental duties. And how many fundamental rights? There are 6 fundamental rights. So the correct answer is 11. Next question. So today's question number 1. What is the maximum strength of judges in Supreme Court of India? So the correct answer is 34. The correct answer is 34. 33 and 34 is including Chief Justice of India, including CJI, Chief Justice of India. 33 is judges and 1 is Chief Justice of India. So total is 34. 34. And who is our current Chief Justice of India? That is N.V. Ramanna. You have to remember, very important, N.V. Ramanna. N.V. Ramanna is the current Chief Justice of India from Andhra Pradesh. And he is 48th Chief Justice of India. He is 48th Chief Justice of India. And when Supreme Court of India was founded, it was founded on 26 Jan 1950. And who was our first Chief Justice of India? H.J. Kania. H.J. Kania was the first Chief Justice of India. And Justice B.V. This is very important. This is very important. B.V. Nagaratna. B.V. Nagaratna will be the first woman Chief Justice of India in 2026 if the collegium system is working. If the selection of Chief Justice held according to collegium system, then B.V. Nagaratna will be the first woman Chief Justice of India in 2026. Okay, this is very important. Next question, Kami Rita Sherpa is related to which field? So Kami Rita Sherpa is related to mountaineer, and she belongs to Nepal. And what is her achievement? The achievement is she has climbed Mount Everest for the 26th time. 26th time. She has climbed Mount Everest for the 26th time. So Kami Rita Sherpa is a mountaineer. Next question. Every year is observed World Red Cross Day. So World Red Cross Day is observed on 8th of May. Option B is the right answer. And this day is marks the birth anniversary of Henry Dunant. Henry Dunant. Birth anniversary of Henry Dunant. Actually, he was the founder of International Committee of the Red Cross, ICRC, International Committee of the Red Cross. And what is the purpose of this World Red Cross, International Committee of the Red Cross? It to maintain peace. Okay. And where is the headquarter? Its headquarter is in Switzerland, Bern city, Bern. Okay, Bern, Switzerland. And Switzerland capital is Bern. Okay, Bern is the capital city of Switzerland. So next question. And what is the theme? Yes, theme is very important. Be humankind. So main purpose of International Red Cross Society is to maintain peace. Don't involve in war. Okay, actually this society is against the war. E-Adhigam scheme, under which nearly 3 lakh tablets were distributed to government school students of class 10th and 12th, launched by which state? So the state is Haryana. Okay, the correct answer is no, it is not D, it is C, Haryana. Okay, this H in the full form of this, actually I don't know the complete full form of the Adhigam, because this is a very long full form, but this H is Haryana. Advanced Digital Haryana Initiative of Government Adaptive Module. This type of long full form this has, but this is not the complete full form is not much important. But you have to remember E-Adhigam scheme is distribution of tablet and laptop to 10th and 12th students from Haryana states. Recently, a cyclone name, very important star. I am marking this star for this question. Recently, a cyclone named Asani hit the coastal area of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal. Which country gave the name Asani to the cyclone? So the name is given by Sri Lanka. So correct answer is Sri Lanka. And Sri Lanka Prime Minister has been changed. So Ranil Wickremesinghe is the new Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. What is the capital city of Sri Lanka? Colombo is the capital city. Jayawardenepur is the capital city. And between Sri Lanka and India, there is a state that is Pak state. Pak state between India and Sri Lanka. Okay. So next question. 15th conference of the United Nations Convention on Combating Desertification, UNCCD, which was held in which country? So it was held in Ivory Coast. It was held in Ivory Coast. So basically, what is the purpose of this conference? To reduce the desertification. Okay, so land should not be converted into deserts. And actually, this is in what is the capital of Ivory Coast? Ivory Coast is capital is very YAMO. Not important, not much important. YAMOUSSOUKRO. You must grow. But the important thing is that this convention was held at Abidjan. Abidjan. This is the important city of Ivory Coast. This is the important city of Ivory Coast. Who has been honored with the Pulitzer Prize for feature photography for his coverage of the COVID situation in India. So, who was Danish Siddiqui? Very important question, Danish Siddiqui. And who was Danish Siddiqui? He was a photographer. He was a journalist. Okay, he was a journalist. And Pulitzer Prize is given by US, United States of America. And he lost his life last year in a Taliban ambush while reporting in Afghanistan. Okay, Taliban attacked Afghanistan and he was reporting there. He lost his life in Taliban in Afghanistan while reporting. So actually Pulitzer Prize is given in so many fields. Like this is the picture, Pulitzer Prize in literature, public service, the Washington Post, breaking news, this one. So it is not important to remember all this. Danish Siddiqui is important because he is an Indian. He was an Indian, so this is important. Public service, breaking news, investigating. These are so many categories. Pulitzer Prize is given. So it is not important. You have to remember that Pulitzer Prize is given in newspaper, in TV, journalism. This type of category, Pulitzer Prize is given. So India's largest lithium-ion battery plant started production recently in which state? So that is Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Okay, and the plant is established with the help of Switzerland. Okay, next. Priyanka Mohite is associated with which field? So Priyanka Mohite is associated with mountain climber. And she belongs to Bangalore. And why she is important? Because she has become the first Indian woman to scale 5 mountain peaks above 8,000 meters. Okay, as you know, Mount Everest height is 8848.86. That is, you can 8848.884849. You can say 8848.49. You can say 49 meter. So and how many peaks she has climbed? She has climbed 5 mountain peaks above 8,000 meters. So what are they? Mount Annapurna and Mount Everest, Mount Makalu, Mount Kilimanjaro. Okay, these are 5 peaks that she has climbed. So this is important. So she is a mountain climber. Next question. National Technology Day. National Technology Day is observed on 11th of May. And why do we observe this day on this 11th May? Because on 11th May, India conducted successfully first successful nuclear power test. Okay, India conducted 11th May 1998 in Pokhran in Rajasthan. First nuclear test that were carried out by India, and it was successful. So, and who was the main engineer? That was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Main scientist behind the nuclear test was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, headed by Abdul Kalam. Okay, so 11th May is National Technology Day. Ladli Lakshmi Scheme 2.0. This is second version. It is launched by Madhya Pradesh. And what is the purpose of this scheme? The purpose of this scheme is to make girls self-reliant. To make girls self-reliant. And who is the chairman? Who is the chief minister of Madhya Pradesh? Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Very important. The most important question of this video. The most important question of this video as well as of this month. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma was passed away recently. He was a master of which instrument? So he was a master of santoor. He was a master of santoor. So okay, so very important. She was born in Jammu and Kashmir in 1938. Okay, and he has worked for many movies, Silsila, Lamhe, Chandni, etc. So Sena is Ustad Bismillah Khan. Okay, Sarod Amjad Ali Khan. These are also important. And Pandit Birju Maharaj recently passed away. He was a Kathak supporter, Kathak expert. So Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma as well, very important. So he was a santoor player. Don't forget to join RIMC. Don't do a mistake. If you enroll in the RIMC foundation batch, the chances of the selection is very high in RIMC. That is going to be held in December session 2022. India's first center of excellence for Khadi will be opened in which state union territory? It will be opened in New Delhi. The correct answer is New Delhi. And who is the Lieutenant Governor of New Delhi? Anil Baijal. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. So correct answer is option B. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu released a book titled about Narendra Modi. So the title is Modi at 20 Dreams Meet Delivery. The correct answer is option number A. Option number A. And M. Venkaiah Naidu the Vice President, and he is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha also, because Vice President is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. Which nation has become the first Asian member of NATO Cyber Research Center? First Asian member. So the first Asian member is South Korea. South Korea. Correct answer is South Korea. South Korea capital is Won. Currency is Won. Seoul is capital. And South Korea is land of the morning calm. Land of the morning calm. Yoon Suk Yeol is the Loon. I forgot Loon. What is the new prime minister of South Korea? It is President Yoon Suk and Yeol. Yoon Suk Yeol. Okay, YSU. Okay, this is the new president of South Korea. And next question, between South Korea and North Korea there is a line that is 38 degree parallel. 38 degree parallel. Has become the 25th, very important, again very important, 25th Chief Election Commissioner of India. So new Chief Election Commissioner of India is Rajiv Kumar. So Rajiv Kumar has become the new Chief Election Commissioner of India. And when was Election Commission of India founded? It was founded on 26. No. It is 25th Jan 1950. And Sukumar Sen was the first. Sukumar Sen was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India. Chief Election Commissioner of India. Sukumar Sen. Okay, CEC. And after one day, 26 January, Supreme Court of India was founded. 26 January 1950. And 25th January 1950, Election Commission of India was founded. And this is Rajiv Kumar, new Chief Election Commissioner, and this is Election Commissioner. There are two Election Commissioner and one is Chief Election Commissioner. One post is vacant right now. Okay, so the correct answer is Rajiv Kumar. Who has become the new Prime Minister of Sri Lanka? So new Prime Minister of Sri Lanka is Ranil Wickremesinghe. Okay, and President is Gotabaya Rajapaksa. This is President. This is President. This is PM. And Mahinda Rajapaksa resigned from his post. So correct answer is D. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE? Who is the new chairman of CBSE? That is Nidhi Chabbar. Nidhi Chabbar is the new chairman of CBSE. World first airport flying taxis will be set up in which country? So flying taxis airport, well, that is United Kingdom. Option number D is the right answer. Option number D is the right answer. And who is the Prime Minister of United Kingdom? Boris Johnson. Boris Johnson. He visited India recently. 7th May is celebrated as the birth anniversary of. So 7th May is celebrated birth anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore, and he was known as Gurudev. Gurudev. Okay, he was born on 7th May 1861. 1861. This is the birth anniversary of in Calcutta. And he won Nobel Prize in 1913 for his book collection of poems, collection of literature Gitanjali. He has written not Vande Mataram. He has not written Vande Mataram. He has written national anthem, that is Jan Gan Man. Okay, national anthem, that is Jan Gan Man. And in 1915, in knighthood, in 1915 he awarded the knighthood, but he renounced that knighthood after Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1999. This is very important. Okay, so some important facts about Rabindranath Tagore. Servants of India Society was founded by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. And because our Prime Minister pays tribute to Gopal Krishna Gokhale birth anniversary, that he was born on 9th May 1866. So our Prime Minister paid tribute. So Servants of Society was founded by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Thrissur Puram is the biggest temple festival of Kerala. It is the biggest temple festival of Kerala. Is observed as International Nurses Day. So 12th May is observed as International Nurses Day, and it is the birth anniversary of Nightingale, Florence Nightingale. And she was the social reformer, station and founder of modern nursing. This is the right answer. And what was the theme? Theme is very big. So nurses are voice to lead, and this one not much important. I say not much important. You can remember this sentence so that in the exam, if the option comes, then you can memorize through this option. Okay. Next question. India's first organic waste powered electric vehicle charging station has been set up in which city? So the correct city answer is Mumbai. Correct answer is Mumbai. Is the capital city and the currency of Germany? So as you know, Berlin is the capital city, but Berlin in two options, and Euro is the currency. So correct answer is option number B. Berlin is the capital and Euro is the currency of Germany. And Germany's what is the name of Germany's chancellor? Olaf. Very important. SCHOLZ. Olaf Scholz. Angela Merkel has resigned, so the new German chancellor is Olaf Scholz, the present German chancellor. Okay, very important. Today's burning questions. The wings of, very important. The wings of fire is the autobiography of. Very important question. Burning question is very important. Okay. Don't forget to enroll in the RIMC Foundation batch. Very important batch. If you want to crack the RIMC in the month of, for the session of December, please join. This will be the ultimate. Weapon for your preparation. These are our recorded questions. You can avail these questions. These are our test series. If you like the video, don't like it, share it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you do so, because there are 3 important series that are running our across our platform, that is Mahayag series, Mahayag current affair and science series. If you want to score good marks in 50+ marks in RIMC GK section, then watch every video of these series, because these series will be very helpful. These are our question number. You can call on this number for any inquiry. So student, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.